Hello. Hello everybody and welcome to this course. In this course, we will create our mobile application within 2 hours and without any coding. Means you didn't have to have any coding experience to create any app. We will create our mobile app through this software called Glide, and we will be using the power of Google Sheets. So we will be using Google Sheets, and Glide software will help us to pull the data from Google Sheets and create our mobile application. So before that, my name is Mohit and I am the instructor for this course. I am an online marketer and I have worked with many organizations regarding marketing and mobile creation apps. I have created many mobile applications for startups and has worked with many developers on many projects. I am very passionate and I like to learn about digital marketing, and I am also an entrepreneur and running my own websites, online stores, and teaching people about the experiences which I have. So this is the Glide, and Glide is basically a startup founded by former employees of Microsoft, so that we can make mobile development or app development much easier and without any coding experience. So it helps us to just put data in Google Sheets, and then Glide pull out all the data from Google Sheets, and then we can just drag and drop and create our mobile application. And that's 100% fully working, and many companies are using Glide for their app development. So Glide is free, but there are some you can go with upgrades also. They provide many more features, but we will be making our mobile application free without any cost. So this is the Glide software. So before that, if you are new to this course, so I want to tell you that this is the updated version of this course. Earlier I have created this course, but now there are some changes in Glide, like the layout, and some of the changes are done in the Glide software. So I am just updating the course and all the lectures of this course. But if you are existing student of this course, then you surely watch all the lectures, because now Glide has changed some of the patterns and some of the drag and drop things, and a bit of change in layout also. So that will so all the lectures are updated, so that we will be up to date and how to use Glide. So I don't want that you face any problem while creating mobile applications. So we will be doing this. All the lectures are updated, and now we will create our app from the scratch. In this course, we will create a book sharing app, and we'll add many other features to it also. So it's not just a book sharing app, but we can just read books from there. If anybody wants, they can just buy books, or they can share books, or they can just read about the book, what description, who is the author, and just also go through the reviews of the book, which other people have also submitted their reviews. So this is all about that we will do in this course. So we will create our mobile application through Glide and through Google Sheets. Only these two things we required for now, like a Glide account, which we will just sign up for that, and a Google Sheets account. So for both of that, you should have a Google account, and then we will just link our Google Sheets to Glide software, and then Glide will pull out all the data from Sheets, and then we can just drag and drop and create our application. So you might be skeptical, like how can we just put data on Sheets and then how Glide will do, but I will just show you in this course. So please stay tuned. So this is Glide. So let's take a gist of Glide software. So this is Glide. So here are some of the templates. So you can create applications or mobile applications through templates also. You can just buy templates. There are some free templates. You can just go there and you can just change things according to yourself, and then you can publish them. This is our pricing, but we will be going with free, so there is no point of talking about prices, and these for enterprise jobs and more. So it's about community. So before going ahead, you can just join their community, because there are many knowledgeable things which people are sharing and asking questions about many things, and it is very helpful as a community. So you can join a Glide community here, and then you can just log in and sign up here. Then you can just get started from here. Scroll down, we can see these apps are ready to work. So you can see this is about a delivery app, sales app, inventory app, and a project manager and a project management. And then you can click on explore templates to go through all the templates which are provided by Glide. So these templates are made by us creators, like we just create a template and then we can offer them for a sale on the Glide marketplace, or these are made by Glide also. So you can say by Glide, but when someone else publish a template, their name will be written here. So it's your choice, like you want to just bypass that process of creating app through Google Sheets. You can just go through and you can just download, or you can just buy any template from here, and then you can just change things according to your requirements, and then you can ready to publish that. So this one is a good method, but as told before, we will be doing all this using free methods. So we will not going with template or anything. So this is how we will create our application. So you can see this is how we will create our application. So this is our panel here. Here are some elements. Here are our tabs. This is for our Google Sheets, and this is for our various devices. So we will just talk about this in coming lectures. So don't be worried about that. Just I'm showing through the Glide homepage, and you can also do that. You can just go to glidesapps.com and you can just go through the homepage. I will also link that in the resource section of this lecture. Next, you can click on create app and open sample app. So you can open a sample app to see how it works. So as they are written, they are based on spreadsheets, means we will put our data on Google Sheets, and then Glide will pull out all the data from Google Sheets, and then we can make and edit our application according to our requirements. Snap to build means it is just a drag and drop components like map, signature, and every file uploader. They look great, work everyone. So iOS, Android, tablets, and desktop, it works on everything. Up to date, so this automatically update with speed and everything here. Private and secure, and build them together. And so these are some of the features of and benefits of Glide. So we will be hosting our application on Glide. So you must be thinking like, I want to create a app up for long term, means you need so for that, for long term and without any branding of Glide, then you should have to learn coding, and then you have to go for web development and app development and these skills. But for now, I just promise that you didn't require any coding, and you can create a mobile application in 2 hours. And literally people are making, and many developers and companies or startups are making applications through Glide. I help them to create their mobile application through Glide, and I think this is the best way to get started, or for any startups also. Later, if you are going for a scaling or you have a large community, then you can go with your own application, because then you can have funding and then you can hire good developers. But for now, it is just an individual project, means an individual can also create a mobile application using Glide, and I will show you in this course. Next, you can see some testimonials, and these are some blogs, and this is a photo session. So you can see Glide's mission is to create 1 billion new software developers by 2030. These are products, templates, update, and pricing. These are resources. These are some explored. These are legal pages. So this is all about Glide. So this is a home page of Glide, and we will be using Glide. So I told before, we will be using Glide to create our mobile application. So before moving ahead, we need Google account. So I would recommend you having one single Google account, and using that email you can just sign up for Glide, and same you can go with Google Sheets. So you have to go to the docs.google.com, and you have to sign up for Google Sheets from that same email. Remember that. So you need one same email for both of the software. So sign up for Glide and open Google Sheets. But remember, you need same Google account for Glide and Google Sheets. Then only Glide can easily pull out data from your sheets, and also can sync with your Google Sheets. So this is all about in this lecture. In this lecture, it was just an account creation and introduction to Glide. So just you need to click on sign up. So I'm already signed up. So so you need to just click on sign up, put your email address there, and then you will be redirected to your home page. This is the home page. And same you have to do with Google Sheets. So in next lecture we will be going through Google Sheets and putting our data on Google Sheets. So in next lecture we will start putting our content on Google Sheets, and as the progress happens, we will just go to Glide and pull out that data on the Glide software. So for now requirement is that just sign up for Glide and Google Sheets and keep them handy. And in next lecture let's go to the Google Sheets and put some data and content on Google Sheets. Thank you and bye for now.